Hello everyone. Today we're doing TryHackMe's Flag Vault 2. So I'm just going to grab the IP real quick and set that. So for this room, it starts off by saying, how did you do that? No worries. I'll adjust a couple of lines of code so you won't be able to get the flag anymore. This time, for real, here's the source code once again. So it says download the source code here. This is how you connect. Answer the question, what's the flag? So the code is this, and it's vulnerable because it's using the printf username. So it's taking our input directly for whatever we use as input as a as a as a string, or not as a string, but as a format, or yeah, format string. Sorry, whole brain part there. Um, so it'll take our input. So for that, the script is vulnerable because the format string injection via the printf username input goes into the username, or it treats our an out input as a format string. So the percentage %P leaks stack addresses, and the percentage %S prints whatever is in that stack slot. One of those stack slots points to the flag, which is right here. Even when it's commented out right here, it's still in the memory. So one of those stack pointers we can't test locally because of ASLR. Um, it'll just keep randomizing the address on it. So test it on. We just have to test it against the lab, and for just a quick automation, this is just a bash loop that'll do it for us. So it will just take whatever you name it, and then the IP right after as the variable, and then it'll do for I in sequence 1 through 5. You might need to change this last number to a bigger number depending on if it, just just in case. If it doesn't work for you, that would be the thing that you would change. So then it says do echo, so it's just doing increasing from 1 to whatever number you give here, and it's printing the P, and then it's doing the same thing with the S after that. So it's just doing PS, PPS, PPPS, and so on to whatever number you give here. And then it's just piping it into netcat for the IP address, and then grabbing the line hello because it prints out hello and then it'll say was version some flag being shown, uh, and then it says this at the end. The line with hello is the line that the flag is printed on. Uh, so you can take that part out if you don't believe me, and it'll spit a whole bunch of nonsense, and you can filter however many you want. But this is just, the quick filter way for it. And then it's just putting all of that input into flag text, and then catting that out so you can see it, and then it's removing it so it's cleaning up your system, and you don't have junk files sitting around after that. So to do that, I already set the IP, so just write the file, whatever you name it, chmod it, and then got to give the IP, and it spits it out right here, and you get the flag right there. Format issues. So that's the flag. Let's into this capture the flag. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions or requests, hit me up. Peace.